Okay. All right, guys.
I just put one in. Where'd mine go? Unless someone come and shoot it. Is that one mine? Yours is on the table, Jordan. So this is out of field too. Oh, here, just use mine. Jordan, you can use mine. Jordan. No, mine is full. I'm gonna use my hat.
Okay, so you guys are going far, right? Okay, there we go. Look at them go.
Hi, Jordan.
It's like lambs to the slaughter.
Dead men walking.
If we're lucky. I don't know. After this, actually, we're going to eat. So we can figure it out during lunch. How's that?
I just thought of this really cool game mode. It's kind of like Patrick's bag.
Yeah.
One bag in the middle of...
What?
You going just t-shirt?
There's one bag in the middle of the map.
Oh, you hope you do good with it?
Get
Yeah.
that when second time it. Stay out here
It's hard because it's so
for like
slow.
1 minute and then you...
Yeah.
And then you
Shot,
up and respawn.
Yeah, that could work.
Slow.
That might be kind of cool. I wasn't here. I didn't hear you. I was talking to him.
I was talking to Caleb, but he was saying, I hope I do good with the sniper. I said, it's hard because it's so slow.
Yeah.
But, more accurate.
Correct. Okay, what was that, D?
What?
Yeah, you can ask them lunch. See what they think. We'll figure out that next one.
Am I gonna play?
As soon as they get ready.
You wonder why I'm not holding my weapon?
We're filming right now, so can I shoot you and listen to you scream?
Is that better?
No.
I'm holding my weapon.
Wait, is it right?
This is my rifle. This is my guns. This was for shooting, and this was for fun.
You're filming right now?
I am.
Hi everybody, I am the owner's brother.
My boy, right there. And we're gonna go clean house after you killed Caleb, right?
They said they're ready.
Okay, here we come. Safety's off, gentlemen.
Hey, let's go kick some bad guy butt.
Okay, you want to split with me? All right. Let's hit left. You going in the middle? Okay. All right. Perfect. We'll make a solid push out of it. Okay. Okay. So, check the corner, see if anybody's watching, right? Remember, just like us back there, they could have hunkered down in any of that camouflage. Probably not. Oh, see, look at that. That's Jordan. Oh, he's right on top of the hill. Okay, that's exactly where I was before. Alright, so there's a rock on his left-hand side, and he's crawling forward so he can sneak a peek out. He'll see us coming. He's actually going to see all of us coming. Okay, so here's your best bet, right? What you do is get down, hunch down, and walk behind the tree to your left there, okay? Okay, and I want you to work nice and slow up to that metal bucket, okay? And then I'll come up right next to the compost pile. Keep your weapon aimed down range, okay? You don't have to crawl, bud. You don't have to crawl. Oh yeah, he's just laying there. Okay, I'm pretty sure he sees us. Okay. Get up behind the bucket on the left-hand side and look down the fence line. Okay, I'm coming up to you. Who's got the sniper? Oh. Jason. On the rock where I was, Jordan. Jordan's on the rock where I was last round. Okay, D. Okay, hunch up and I want you to... I'll cover down the fence line for you. Okay, I want you to walk up and get right on the corner of the tall grass, okay? Your cover, okay? Okay, D, on your belly, cover the fence line, I'll join you. If you want to crawl along the fence line and jump those bushes, but don't go past the bushes. Stop at the edge. I'll join you, okay? Don't. Right where that dark green bush is where I want you to stop, okay? And keep your weapon pointed down the line. Alright? Okay, they've got it covered. Okay, you can stand up or kneel and walk down. You're good, okay? Stay hunched. Yep, good. Okay, hold. Dylan, hold. Jordan's at the far corner. Okay. come from the middle and poke out in front of you, okay? Jason's going off to the side. All three of them are back there. Okay, Kai's out. Okay, Dylan. Push up with me. There's some logs here. Get right behind these logs. Come straight through here. Okay. I don't know where he is. I saw that one coming right at my face. We clear? You cleared them both out, Jay? Nice!
Yay! That's how Jordan.
What's that? Oh, hey, look at me. Look at me with those sad puppy dog eyes. And say, we lost! We lost!